Topic: work, energy, and power. Work is said to be done when a force applied on a body causes such body to move in the direction of the force. When a body is being lifted up, the work is given as mgh. But when a body is moving on a horizontal ground, the work is given as Fd. Energy. Energy is defined as the ability or capacity to do work. Energy can either be kinetic or potential. Both of them are referred to as mechanical energy. Kinetic energy. This is energy of a body possessed by the virtue of its motion, expressed as Ke equals half mv squared, where m is the mass of the body and v is the velocity of the body. Potential energy. This is defined as the energy possessed by a body by the virtue of its position above the ground level, expressed as Pe equals mgh, where m is the mass of the body and g is the acceleration due to gravity and h is the height through which the body folds. For example, a pen falling from a table. Conservation of energy. The law of conservation of energy states that energy can neither be destroyed nor created, but can be transformed from one form to another. The figure below shows the motion of a falling body. At the maximum height, the velocity is equal to 0. So the potential energy there is maximum because maximum height is attained. At the middle of the fall, energy is conserved. Pe plus Ke is maximum. But when the ball falls down to the ground, kinetic energy becomes maximum, while potential energy becomes 0. Why? Because there is no longer height. The motion on a pendulum bulb. The figure shows the movement of a pendulum bulb. At point A, kinetic energy is 0, while potential energy is maximum. At point C, potential energy is 0, kinetic energy is maximum. At point B, kinetic energy is 0, while potential energy is maximum. According to the law of conservation of energy, half mv squared equals mgh, since energy cannot be destroyed but can be transformed. So when simplified, v squared equals 2gh. Squared both sides will give us v equals root 2gh. Power. Power is defined as the work done with time, or the rate of doing work with time. Question. A body of mass 10 grams is released from a height 5 meters. What is the potential energy of the body? Solution. Potential energy is mgh, where m is 10, h is 5, and g is 10. Giving you mgh equal 10 times 10 times 5, which is 500 joules. A body of mass 5 kilograms moves with a speed of 20 meters per second. Calculate its kinetic energy. Solution. Kinetic energy is equal to half mv squared equals 1/2 times 5 times 20 squared, which will give us 1000 joules. That brings us to the end of the topic work, energy, and power.